Water permit issued by NWRB or National Water Resources Board for discharge permit application. Kailangan ba yon? Kailangan po ang water permit sa pag-apply po ng discharge permit, lalong-lalo kung wala po tayong water billing statement na maipuproduce. Sa step 6 ng OPMS discharge permit application, hinihingi ang documentary requirements at isa sa mga requirement po dyan ang water billing statement. But if you are using deep well as your source of water supply, wala kang ngang maipoproduce na water bill. Sa ganyang situation, ang hihingin sa atin ng evaluator for discharge permit application ay ang isang water permit. Ang water permit, ito po ay ini-issue ng NWRB and therefore doon din tayo mag-a-apply. So kung kayo po ay mag-a-apply ng water permit sa National Water Resources Board, mag-download lang kayo ng prescribed water permit application form at i-complete yung mga information. Dadalhin nyo po ang completed and notarized water permit application form kasama ng mga documentary requirements mismo sa office ng National Water Resources Board sa 8th floor NIA Building sa Diliman, Quezon City. May mga kailangang bayaran, syempre, gaya po ng amounting to 7,200 pesos para po sa pag-apply ng water permit. At syempre, kung nag exist na ang isang source na kinukuhanan natin ng tubig, may penalty na po ito amounting to 1,000. So, pwede tayong magkaroon ng direct expenses for water permit application na 8,200 pesos kasama ang 1,000 pesos na penalty. So ito pong water permit application ay kailangan ipasa sa NWRB kasama din po nitong Notice of Water Permit Application. So dalawa po, may water permit application form at merong isang Notice of Water Permit Application. Dahil ito pong notice na ito, ipinapadala po ito sa mga concerned offices. Pinapadala ito gaya po sa mga sa DPWH, pinapadala sa mga barangay, pinapadala sa mga concerned offices po. So, kung mag-a-apply ng water permit sa NWRB, fill upan itong application form kasama po itong Notice of Water Permit Application at dadalhin kasama ng mga supporting documents sa NWRB mismo at magbayad na po doon ng prescribed fee, yung 7,200 pesos. At kapag na-process po ito, bibigyan muna tayo ng conditional water permit at pwede nang ma-convert into regular water permit kapag na-submit natin yung mga kumpletong requirements. So yan lamang po at kung mag-a-apply tayo nga ng discharge permit dito sa OPMS or the online permitting and monitoring system pagka tungkol sa water billing statement kung wala tayong maipapakita yung pong water permit or at least conditional water permit or at least proof of submitted water permit application kasama yung ating official receipt. Yun lamang po ang equivalent document dito sa water billing statement. So I hope you have learned something about the water permit issued by NWRB for DNR wastewater discharge permit application. Thank you very much for listening, and if you want to know more about environmental compliance, environmental requirements, please subscribe to this channel, please share this video, please like this video, and you are also encouraged to ask question or comment below. Thank you very much and have a great day.